Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Kawasaki KX500. Known for its power and agility, this bike is set to take the motocross world by storm. Let's explore what makes the KX500 a must-have for riders this season. Design and build. The 2025 KX500 features a lightweight aluminum frame that enhances maneuverability and stability. Its aggressive styling not only looks great but also improves aerodynamics. The new graphics package pays homage to its racing heritage while adding a modern touch. Engine performance. Now, let's talk power. The KX500 is equipped with a potent 499cc two-stroke engine, delivering impressive torque and acceleration. This year, Kawasaki has fine-tuned the engine for better throttle response and increased peak power, making it a formidable competitor on the track. Suspension and handling. Handling is crucial in motocross, and the KX500 doesn't disappoint. It boasts an updated suspension system with fully adjustable front and rear components, providing optimal performance over rough terrain. Riders can expect improved stability and comfort, whether tackling jumps or tight corners. Technology features. The 2025 model also introduces advanced technology, including a digital display that provides real-time data on speed and engine performance. Riders can now customize their engine mapping for different track conditions, allowing for a tailored riding experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki KX500 combines power, precision, and cutting-edge technology, making it a top choice for serious motocross enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this bike offers the performance you need to elevate your riding experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews and riding tips. See you next time on the track. Thanks for joining BikeZone.